Hello. Okay, how many people are going to join this? Hey, hi, Reshma. Hi, Priya. Hey, Jay. So, everyone, you're able to hear my voice?
Yes.
Okay, thanks, Priya. Okay, anyone's first class this?
This will be my first class.
Okay,
Yes, sir. I'm Reshma, and this is my first class as well.
okay, sure, Reshma. Just waiting for a few more minutes to join if any are going to join.
Sure.
Um, can you please introduce yourself? I mean to say, like, uh, what is your educational background, and if you are working, how many years of working experience? That is enough for me.
Are you asking to me?
Yes, for three of you.
Okay. I'm a computer science graduate. I graduated in 2019 and experience in marketing field. So I want to explore.
Okay, okay, right. So, Reshma, so you are in accounting and a couple of business streams that I own and manage. Okay, that's great. Priya, from your side?
So I'm studying engineering management. I'm in my last semester, and I worked in India as a software engineer, but I wanted to get into a data analytics side. So like, I wanted to get the trainings.
Okay, right. Okay, so I hope each and everyone are aware about this complete training will focus completely on data analytics and the tools and the methodologies which will be suitable and which will be implemented in this particular problem solving and this particular stream. Okay, is that clear, right? I'm just sharing my screen to give you some overall insights. Okay. So now you're able to see on my screen. This is the Anaconda Navigator, one a software, or you can consider it as a one software we'll use to do data analysis, and it contains a lot of IDEs. I'll go deep dive into this next time, but I'll use this particular software to take notes, which is required for me now. And where it is, and I'm opening Jupyter. And this is a Jupyter notebook, which will be used to do data analysis by using Python. We can able to call different libraries and all those things. Um, okay, right. So here I'm going to create a new folder, renaming this particular. Okay. So guys, one instruction is you no need to take any notes. Why? Because I'm going to provide each and everything what we're going to discuss it, and along with that, the content and references and all those things I'll provide to you. Okay, right. Uh, I think so. I'm expecting this session should be somewhat interactive. I want to know what is your understanding and what type of insights you have in learning this course, and how you are expecting, and what are the things you're going to learn. So no, those things we're going to discuss in this particular session. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of data analytics and why it is important nowadays? Definitely, you know some information about it. If,
Yeah, data analytics is important to analyze the available data. So
Mhm.
we know we can with the analysis we can predict the like future sales forecast or anything we can predict.
Mhm. Okay. And this is newly evolved or it is there from the long time? What are you thinking?
Is there for
It is
long.
based on the long time. Yeah, please go ahead. Sorry.
No, I was saying the same point.
Okay.
There for longer time. Yeah.
Okay, right. And so, for example, I'm saying I'm telling one user situation. I'm going to select. I'm saying one situation. Can you please try to analyze and discuss some points? One company is there, retail company. A is a retail company, and What may be the answer? What may be the answer? You have n number of answers. Okay, retail company. I'm not specifying any specific products on any specific domain. It's just a retail company. The question and the problem statement is, so I want to know why the sales are decreasing from the past 3 months. What type of answers you're going to give? In your point of view, you can imagine whatever may be the company. You can think like that it's a groceries. You can think like that it's a beauty products. You can think like uh, it's a online electronics and this like Amazon and Flipkart. You can think like that. That's a website which will deliver medicine, which will deliver a food. Your perception is I don't have any command on that. You can think and you can imagine whatever the domain and whatever the business you want to imagine. But from your point of perspective, I want to know the reasons. If you are saying if you
Yeah,
choose food business, you need to tell me what are your perspectives. If you're feeling like that, it's a groceries, you need to tell me your point of perspective. So like that.
yeah.
So now,
So,
first we're going with that.
sorry.
So who is this? His name Reshma or Priya?
Yeah, it's Hima.
Sorry,
Hima.
Hima. Okay,
Hima. Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
Hima,
First, like,
what is the
uh-huh.
domain you chose?
I choose a domain of the retail.
Retail. In retail specifically, is there any products?
Retail, general stores for groceries.
Okay,
Yeah.
child general stores for groceries.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Tell me your points. So what type of
I
points you are
will
going to?
first, yeah, I'll first see whether are there any competitors that they are offering for the low prices than us.
Okay,
That would be the reason.
okay.
Yeah, and I can also check about the like what is the quality customer satisfaction after the store visit.
Customer satisfaction after the store visit. You're saying.
Yeah, yeah,
So no, you're saying like that your particular retail business have a physical stores also.
yes, yes.
Okay,
After the store, like online or physical store.
okay,
Yeah, those 2 points I'll start with.
okay. And any points? Your competitors, definitely you need to look into it. Your competitors, what type of offers they are providing, what type of products they are delivering, and how much charge they are, how is the price, and how much timely they are delivering, and all those
Yes,
things you
everything.
check everything. And customer satisfaction. So okay, how cleanly and how hygienely we're maintaining and we're storing our goods, and all those things you will, all those things you will, you're going to note down.
Yes.
Okay, is there any remaining factors? You're missing anything? Okay, remaining people can anyone tell any other points specifically related to it? I'll take yours also, but in your point of view, what are the main impacts to decrease the sale? Competitors, customer satisfaction, and apart from this or along with this, any points you want to say, you want to tell?
Lack of marketing or lack of promotions.
Okay, good. Lack of marketing and advertisement. Okay, and so is this and Is there any point you want to add? Okay. Who's next?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So, if we take an
Can
exact
you please?
gadget,
I want to say like it will take 2 or 3 days to remember your names by with your voices. Can you please tell your name and then after that we'll go with that. So
hello,
your name?
Nikita.
Okay.
Vinay.
Okay. Right. Nikita,
So,
tell
if
me
we take,
what is the domain you choose?
I'm electronic gadgets as an example.
Okay.
Yeah. Check if there is a need for the particular product in the market.
Mm-hmm.
A while ago, we stopped buying this CD and DVD players because everything Netflix and other OTT platforms.
Okay.
So we need to check if there is a need for a product in the market from audience point of view.
Okay. So you're saying outdated products.
Yeah, yeah.
Outdated products. Okay. This is the main reason. Electronic
Mhm.
gadgets. And next thing.
Yeah.
That is the only. No problem. Remaining people also can think.
I'm saying lack of quality of
Okay. Quality. And
no customer retention. Any like they are unable to bring back the customers.
okay. Customer retention.
Now I can think of these points.
Okay. Right. So next who?
I'm
Anyone want to
Reshma.
add some more points?
Uh, I'm Reshma. I can add to Nikita's and Nikita's
Okay. Tell me.
like yeah. The thing is, even the availability of the product on time. Like if the client wants to buy something that has like really good quality and all, and if we do not have the stock, like we have to maintain that stocking and stuff. Like
Hmm.
I can say this like this.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. And for Hima's point, what you're going to add, Rishma?
But for Hima's point also, like like for instance, it's like a maybe a Indian grocery store, and like people around in that area, what the in like around the vicinity, if they like they demand for some like Gujarati snacks or something like that, right? That has to be available, and also what people around there what they demand, we have to carry that, and we have to like a survey based, like if there are more desis or there are more Hispanics or around the area. So I think that information also helps to add like new products in our business,
It means
like
your intention is to say like that uh, in that particular area, people are looking for
yes,
some sort of specific goods. Those
yes,
goods are
that's
not
right.
available in the
Yes,
store.
that's right. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
How can we say with a proper business terminology?
Mhm.
How can we say that
Like
particular thing?
adding like new products to the existing business.
It's not only a new product, right? For example, so I'm
Uh-huh.
staying in a specific location. In that particular specific
Right.
location, South Indians will be there, North Indians will be there, and foreigners also will be there. That store need to contain, it need to fulfill all these group of
All
people's
these
requirement.
things. Yes,
We
yes.
can add according to the customer preferences
Yes,
by taking some surveys
yes, right. So what it is?
or like
Proper,
customer preferences.
Proper choice of products which are suitable for the users. I can say like this.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Okay. And Reshma, what you choose?
Sorry.
What you choose? What domain you want to?
Like, yeah, the same thing, retail. Like, I usually manage convenience stores. So, like, based on that, I'm like, I was thinking on.
Okay. Okay. Right. Right. Now, after one second, give me 1 minute. So after observing these two, so I have a lot of questions on these answers. Can I ask? My first question is just I want to know what's going to happen if I'm not able to deliver that order which I'm already taken and which is the amount is already paid by the customer in time. Is that is the more impactable one, or a quality of goods delivered to the customer that's going to give more impact, or when a customer is visited store at the time the hygiene is not good? In these three reasons, which one is going to impact our business? In
I
these three
think
reasons.
I think based on this, whatever is happening since like couple of years, like 2, 3 years, that we have experienced. So that I think hygiene and the way we present it, like in the store, the presentation is very important as well. That is the first main thing, That's as far as what I have observed, in my experience.
Okay. Lack of timely supply, which one will come next? Or lack of quality goods, so you're maintaining a good presentation in
And
that
lack of
particular packing.
quality goods, yeah, lack
Okay.
of quality should be the second one.
Okay. And next one is
Is it timely? Yeah, the out of stock.
okay. So your preference is this.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah, and this is Hima. I would like to add two more points. Uh,
yes, tell me, Hima.
yeah, and sometimes the easy of checkout process that would impact.
Absolutely,
Yeah, and
absolutely.
seasonal goods, like they don't have a seasonal goods.
Good. And it should be user friendly.
User friendly, right?
User friendly.
Yeah, and if it is online store, it should be work both with the website and as well as
Yes.
the app.
User friendly purchases,
Yes.
user friendly interaction. Okay, right. Now, s- so each and everyone are on the same page. Okay, you got a clarity on what is a business and different types of businesses, how will be flow, and uh, if any particular problem came, you can able to know and you can able to investigate from where this particular problem is originated, and uh, in which way we need to understand that particular problem. Now, a simple question I'm asking: what is a business flow? What is a business flow? It means, for example, you can consider you're maintaining a retail store, which is related to groceries. From where you are collecting all the goods and how you are storing and how you are selling to the customers, and how you are checking your customers are coming again and again to your stores or not. and how you're getting the profits, and on what months or what days you'll have a more customers walk-ins, and all those things. Where we need to start, and what is the flow? What is your idea, and what is your imagination? What is a proper flow? What you will think from the collection of the goods, raw material, to the stores, to packing and placing in a specific places in the store, and all those things. What is your flow? For example, I have a one grocery store. One where it is started. You can think like that. You are a boss for that particular store. What you will do?
So it starts from the basic needs of the like what are the general groceries in that store?
Yes, yes, yes. Definitely that is.
Yeah.
Definitely that is. But
Yeah.
we'll go with that. We'll go with that specific flow.
Okay. Collection of raw materials.
That is your first thing. What you're going to do?
If it is, it depends upon the if it is it the new business or on its ongoing business.
Okay, I'll say like that. So we'll start from the very basic. You want to establish a business. You want to
Okay.
establish a business. You need to choose a location. You need to choose a specific name, and
The
you need to choose a locality, and all those things, right? All those things will be there, right? We'll
yes.
consider each and everything. It's a brand new business. So, okay, I'm a client. I'm an investor. I'm asking you guys. Okay, I want to set up a grocery store. Okay,
Yeah.
tell me, guys,
First,
so where I need to take the place, and where I need to uh, choose where I want to start. So no,
yeah.
from
First
there
of
I
all,
need to start.
first of all, we should check whether is there any competitor grocery store beside? Is there any demand for the grocery store for that particular location?
Okay, first thing
Mm.
is
Mm.
really
In demand
scope for this,
for the business.
right? For example, in that particular area, you can consider 1,000 families or 2,000 families are there. Apart from that, there is no logistics facility for the remaining surrounded areas. So, okay, already 3 or 4 stores are there. They are there for a very long time. And if you want to invest that amount to establish a new store, you're not able to get your ROI and all those things for long time. You're going to check this particular thing, right? Okay, how many people are there? At least I'll grab the 5% of the business which is already existed surrounded to me or not. So now you're going to check all those things, right?
Yes,
Okay,
the
first is this.
demand. Yeah.
Yes.
Even though in some businesses, like even though if there are a lot of other businesses, we can start. Of course, that's the other thing.
Okay. Tell me
Yeah.
that, I mean to say, like, then
Mhm.
where you'll find a gap, right? So definitely, if you're able to find a gap in the existed stores, or in the existing process,
Right.
or
Right.
the existing products, then only you are there to start, right? If you
Right.
identify any gap, then only
Competitive.
you're yes. If you're
Mhm.
feeling like that competitors are not running this particular business in a proper way or up to the level, then you're ready to start. What type
Yes.
of gaps you will find, or what type of gaps it already you can think like that. We'll take a hypothetical condition. Already 5 stores are there.
Yeah. So the few points what Nikita said, like what others said, like lack of quality of the goods.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, any outdated products. There is no hygiene, or it is not easy. It is not user friendly.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah. And some people want to visit the new store, even though there is a good stores. So
Mm-hmm. Okay. So
and main
excitement in
thing
the
is
customer.
logistics. Near to the if it is in the US, main thing is the logistics. If it is near to the highway, or is it easy to transport the goods,
Hmm.
and the parking lot, and easy to go there. So and there are no any nearby crowded stores.
Okay.
Yeah. And mainly
And
regional
mhm.
stores, like if it is in US, like regional, like Indian stores or something. So we have to check whether there are any particular population related to that particular region.
Okay.
Yeah, those are my points.
Okay. Right. And okay, that is clearly right. So clearly, almost you covered most of the things. Okay. Second thing, what you will check. So there is a scope. Already scope is there. Then what is the second condition you will check?
Maybe look for a location like
Okay. You're looking for the location.
yes,
Location. Uh, Indirectly, it will come under demographic. Can I say?
yes, demographics. Yeah.
Why I'm discussing these things because we need to be aware about that data analytics is nothing but it's a fruitful uh, uh, I mean, say like it's very uh, a fruitful thing to the business,
Yeah,
right? So definitely you need to have a clear understanding and you need to be uh, very clear on the business.
that's true.
Okay, right. And what is the next thing? Demographics also excellent. The location is also very nearer to all the people and centered to all the locations and all these things. This is also passed. Then what you will do? What is the next consideration of yours?
Suppliers.
Sorry,
Suppliers.
I didn't get your point.
Yeah.
What you're saying?
I'm saying the supply chain management, the suppliers, to supply the products to the store.
Mm. You are
Chain
saying,
management.
so I hope nowadays that is not a big task for most of the things. If there is a business, then definitely we can able to found suppliers long way.
Yeah.
Like maybe you have to form your legal entity to start like a business, because when you approach to the existing landlord, right, where you are opening an location, then you will have to get into that legality first, form a legal entity, and then apply to the existing location, and then you know after like you get all the approvals and all from the city and county, and then you get permit and licenses, and also then you make a business plan. First you make a business plan, and that you present it to the to the landlord, and then like they have to see, right, how are we going to get our gains in our business, because if like our business runs good, even the landlord, there we are making like equity on their you know property as well. So I think that's also important.
Yes, definitely. We need to check the feasibility.
Yes.
Anyway, scope is a very big word in the business.
Hmm.
So under scope, all these particular things will become right. Just you can think like that. So now, if any investor came to us, and is there any scope for the business, this type of business in this particular area or somewhere else? Yes, there is a scope, but we have some difficulties, or but we have some competitors who will say that particular thing, right?
Hmm. Yes.
Mm, right. Now, okay. Now, your location also confirmed, and your suppliers also will be there, very well established. And then next, you need to have very, very, very important information before starting a store at there. Okay. What is another one very important thing you didn't mention it here? So you need to check, right, what type of groceries are
Yeah.
required in that particular location. We already discussed previously what type of groceries are required, and the data at that particular place. What is the requirement of the people at there?
Right. Yeah.
Okay, that is a very important thing, right? Okay, and you identified different type of products. You identify different type of products which you need to keep in the store, and what type of things you need to sell. Goods and goods. Okay, finalized. Okay, and next thing is next thing.
Uh, Marketing and advertising.
Absolutely, definitely. Each and everyone need to know, right? A new store is opened in this particular specific location, from this brand or from this persons, or these type of peoples are there, and these type of offers are there, opening offers. This much quality of products they are providing, right? All the marketing and advertisement is required, right? Marketing. Okay, and is there anything we forgot?
Should hire the people, right set of people.
Yes, human resource. Hmm, I can mention like this at here. Okay, now, so no, this is the and after that next we'll have a few more points. Good people also there, so we need to place identified, each and everything got set up, and employees also there, people are coming and purchasing and all those things. Then the next thing is, whenever we establish any business, ROI will come immediately. No, right? Definitely, our return on our investment doesn't create in a 1 day or 1 month. It's based on the business, and it's based on the investment, how much we're keeping in that particular business. So from then onwards, once our business is established, from then onwards, we need to concentrate on the how the sales is happening. Observing and identifying insights related to our business, right? And after that, need to take steps to improve the business. So you can see now. So this is a perfect maintenance of the business. Or anyone want to add any point? Or so we fill completely all the gaps in the business flow. Hello, you're able to hear me?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, exactly where your requirement will be there?
From starting the business,
Okay. From
the
starting
ending,
of,
ongoing process, like business analyst need at every step, I feel.
yes, business analyst is required at every step, but data analytics will play a crucial role in
I'm
crucial
sorry,
role
yeah.
in each and crucial role in each and every step. Business analyst is completely different from the data analytics.
The data analyst, yes, sorry.
Okay. So no, he is very important at each and every stage to take each and every decision, to validate each and every decision. His scope is there. He need to get the data related to all the remaining stores and he need to analyze it. Scope is there not. Location. He need to check all the demographical details and how many people are there, what type of sales and how many persons will store walk-ins are there. So he need to analyze and he need to give the report. So okay, he need to purchase a specific good. He need to compare all the prices provided by the different providers for the same good, and he need to check and he need to finalize that we are getting the best or not. To do the marketing and all these things also, he need to understand, okay, which company is providing and which company is marketing viewers. I mean to say, like, for what type of advertisement people are attracting, and whose brand is very good, whose models we need to choose, and all those things will be decided by analyzing the past history and past data. Okay, our role is very less in this particular place compared to the remaining things. Observing and identifying insights, our role is very crucial. Need to take the steps to improve the business. To take any steps to improve the business means we need to understand, and we need to understand where this particular lack is there, where this particular gaps are there. You need to understand those things. Okay, is it clear for each and everyone?
Yes, yes.
Okay, to do this, now data is a fuel for each and everything. We'll have data. It's not directly came, it didn't came from the space, right? We'll create the data. From where we'll creating the data? From the business transactions, from the customer information, from the sales data. So all those things data is going to generating the data, and after that, so once data is generated, we need to
We need to
store
prepare
the data.
for, yeah.
After storing the data, we need to
To prepare and process.
yes, prepare and process, and all these things will become under ETL and all those things. So once data is there, direct, what is our step? We need to
Analyze.
Analyze.
analyze the data. To analyze the data, we have multiple ways. We have with help of SQL we can analyze, with help of SQL we can analyze, with help of Excel we can analyze, with help of Python we can analyze, with help of Power BI we can analyze, and with help of Tableau we can analyze. Multiple things and multiple ways we can analyze, right? Each and everything has some specific type of limitation. So that is the reason definitely a data analyst must contain a group of tools and techniques. Excel, data warehouse, SQL, should we put Python, Tableau, Power BI. Okay, these are the things which we're going to discuss at here. All of you know, right? These things we're going to discuss.
Yes.
Okay, right. Okay, first we'll go with the previously in the introduction sessions, I'll discuss to show the easiness of the Tableau. So, but we'll follow some specific criteria. And this is the order how we are going to complete it. So first we'll go with the Excel, and after that data warehousing concepts, and SQL, and Python, Tableau, Power BI. Is everyone comfortable if I start with the Excel, or you'll feel bored? If you're feeling like that, you'll feel bored, I'll start with the Tableau, or otherwise a programming language.
You can start with the Excel, I guess. Let's take others' opinion also. For me, it's Excel.
Yes, Excel would be better.
Okay, sure. This is also a visualization tool and a business intelligence tools. We install all these things in the market. And this is a programming language. And this is the database. And this is the definitely you need to know Excel at any cost. If you feel bored also, if you're feeling uh, uh I'm going to say like whatever it may be the thing, we need to do that one. And can you please tell me uh, each and everyone are using Windows or anyone are using Mac?
I'm using Mac, Hima.
Okay, so what you will have in your machine?
Sorry.
So no, I meant to say like what is the exactly in your machine in the part of
I,
Excel? Exactly you have, or specifically you have something, right?
sorry, I didn't understand your question.
No, no, what I'm asking, you are using
Mhm.
Mac, right?
Yeah.
In that Excel also, Excel is installed in it.
Okay, okay. I'm using the website, from the website. I
Okay,
don't have MS. Yeah. I'm planning to purchase it, but I don't have it. I'm using the Google spreadsheets and the website Excel.
okay.
Is that okay, or do you want me to buy it?
So no problem, you can use it. Okay, and remaining all the people are using Windows itself.
Yes, Windows.
It's a Windows for me.
Okay, right. And I'll show you where you need to install Tableau. So Tableau, we have a purchased one and we have a free version. Okay, we'll use the free version. We'll use free version, that is a Tableau public. You need to create one account in Tableau public and you need to download it. Just by searching in Google, you're able to get it, that particular software, Tableau public. For that, to download that, you need to create. You need to create a free account in Tableau public. And to use this particular Python, one second, a Tableau public. Tableau public. Okay. And for Power BI, we'll install anyway. This is also free. Most of the functionalities we are going to utilize as a free. But meanwhile, we'll install. For Python programming language, you need to install Anaconda. This is also free and it will be available. So just simply you can search with the name Anaconda. You just go to this particular website and at here defaultly it will show based on your system configurations and all those things. You can download it and you can install it. Okay. This is also a open source. This will install. See this one. Excel anyway you have data warehousing. Most of the things are related to theoretical understanding. This is will install one DB, which are it's a Oracle or PLSQL or whatever it may be we'll use based on our availability and open source thing, and we'll do the things and exercises related to it. If anyone have any questions related to it, you can ask me related to session and things and the difficulty levels. What type of questions? I don't have any problem in it. Anyone have any questions?
Sir, I'm good.
Sorry, Nikita, you have any
Oh,
questions?
no, I said I'm good. I don't
Okay.
know.
Hima,
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah.
uh,
Thank you.
Priya, Priyadarshini.
Yeah, I don't have any doubts right now.
Okay.
Yeah,
Reshma.
yeah, me either. I'm just downloading, the Anaconda and the public and the Tableau public.
Okay, that's great. And that's it, right? Okay. Okay, perfect. And now, so one second, I'm stopping the recording.